Do not thank everyone the same way. Arigatou is casual. Arigatou Gozaimasu is safer in polite scenes. Nihongo EXP, Quest 3, Arigatou versus Arigatou Gozaimasu. Quest 3-1. Learn the polite thank you. In English, thank you feels simple. In Japanese, the relationship changes the phrase.
ありがとうございます。ありがとう。
Use arigatou with friends. Use arigatou gozaimasu with staff, teachers, or people you do not know well. Open the thanks level map. Friends, shop staff, and teachers need different thank you levels. Friends, arigatou. Shop staff, arigatou gozaimasu. Teacher, arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。
In a shop, arigatou gozaimasu sounds polite and natural.
ありがとう。
With close friends, the shorter arigatou often feels warmer and more natural.
Mini dialogue.
A shop staff member hands you your order. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
どうぞ。ありがとうございます。
This works because the setting is a shop, the person is not close, and the tone is polite.
Check.
A cashier helps you. What do you say?
Correct.
B. Arigatou gozaimasu. Shop staff means polite thanks.
ありがとうございます。
Mistake clinic. Arigatou can be too casual in a polite scene. Mistake clinic. If your teacher helps you, arigatou may sound too casual. Arigatou gozaimasu is safer.
ありがとうございます。
Battle start. 3 scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. A cashier helps you find your size. What do you say? Answer. B. Arigatou gozaimasu. Shop staff plus help means polite thanks.
ありがとうございます。
Question 2. Your close friend sends you a funny photo. What sounds natural? Answer. B. Arigatou. Close friend plus casual thanks means arigatou.
ありがとう。
Question 3. Your teacher checks your homework. What sounds natural? Answer. B. Arigatou gozaimasu. Teacher plus help means polite thanks.
ありがとうございます。
Today's rule. Choose thank you level by distance and politeness. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
Nice.
You cleared the thank you level quest. Next quest. Daijoubu desu can mean okay or no thanks. Subscribe to keep leveling up.